Hello there. This is a stunning example of the Vauxhall Grandland X 1.2 Sport Nav Turbo. Real striking car. You've got the diamond cut alloy wheels, sports leather, half leather interior, climate control, Vauxhall IntelliLink including satellite navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and DAB. Lots of safety features with this car. You've got blind spot alert, forward collision alert, automatic lights, and rain sensitive windscreen wipers, as well as Isofix seating, privacy glass on the back, electric folding door mirrors. You've got front and rear parking sensors as well. With this model you do have the automatic tailgate, plenty of boot space. You've also got a 60-40 split in the rear seat should you need that extra bit of space that you should need, and you've also got the ski lift as well in the back if you needed to create that extra little bit more space as well for you. And back round to the passenger side. Really smart car this, guys. For more information please visit the website.